Hey guys, it's RPG Nickshoe here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the blue and red Lamborghini Swagway board, Irehawk, whatever you want to call it. But Swagway is the most common used name because it says Swagway. It's probably the best word to use for it. People call it hoverboards, but it doesn't really hover. So, okay, so we open it up, and we've got our charger. Obviously, as always, we're going to need that. The keys to the car, where I bought it from, and I'll take this off. We've got the board itself, which is the red and blue Lamborghini board. It's also got Bluetooth speakers in it. They're underneath the board. So yeah, let's get it out of the box. Okay, so it's out of its box. I'll just switch it on the other side, I think it is. There we are. And when you step on it...
Wait, we're connected.
Hang on. Hang on, guys. There we go. It lights up with LED lights, so that's kind of cool. Step off it. Okay, so I'm going to go through the pros and cons for this one. So this is the 10-inch wheel, compared to the other one that I unboxed, which was a Bluecrim 6-inch. The pros for this one is it's got bigger wheels, and it's higher up from the ground, so if you have a lot of stones in the area or something, you will fall off very easily on the other one, whereas this one's a bit more sturdy. A con for this is that these aren't very easy to grip onto. Another pro for this would be that, you know, you've got these shiny lights above the top, which the original model does not have. A con for this, again, is going to be that I've said about the, you know, not being easy to ride on it, but you'd think that you'd be able to go quite fast on this one. If you try to go fast, you will just literally fall off this one, and it's not as, because of the grip and stuff. Also, if you lean too far forward or too far back, etc., you're just going to fall straight off because it's just going to go dead. That's like with every hoverboard though, or Swagway, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that would be the comparison between the two. So it all depends on what you want it for. This one's better for looks. The other ones, the originals, are just better for speed and having to cruise round. This one's more of just like a show off one that you're gonna like go on, ride round, you know, have everyone go whoa. But you know, why would you want it for that, you know? But it's still a Swagway, goes fast-ish, and yeah, so that's my review of the blue and red Lamborghini board, is what loads of people have been calling it. If it's not called the Lamborghini board, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll change the title of the video or whatever. But yeah, that's what I think it's called, the Lamborghini board, because that's what I've heard a lot of people call it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and